Hello, guys. Good evening. Well, I just wanted to make sure that you will be getting to know me and what is that I'll be dealing with you guys in the coming days, right? For the fourth semester, yes, I will be handling big data visualization and machine learning in the business landscape. Well, I just wanted to give a very quick idea about like what is that we are going to do. Well, we'll not be talking more, we'll not be talking even much of the concepts, rather than we will be making the data to speak. I believe in that. Yes, we are in the world, we are in the competition where we will have to bring out the meaningful insights by consuming the data, right? When I say consuming the data, I want you guys to eat the data, digest the data, and vomit the data. Now, I would like to omit the data by taking a very quick example here. Now, let me share my screen quickly. Yes, I've got a data here, the UG database of Shulini University, and the department is FMS, right? Here you can see the school name here. It says School of Business Management. And I've taken the data of a program which talks about the UG, right? With this data set, what is it I can tell a story? What is it I can do? Yeah, I know you will be playing with this data using the Excel, and then you can make a lot many graphs, visuals, and then you can tell a story, right? But yes, we will be using one such a tool when the data is huge, when the data is big, right? Not small, when the data is big, where Excel keeps saying that I can't load. And how is that you will be playing with that data and then making a visualization, right? Now, let me quickly take you to something called as a tool, which you will be getting an access to, and that is called as Tableau. Yes, they've got the licenses. They've got 600 licenses for the people of Shulini, and we will be working on that. Anyway, I'm not training you. I'm just giving you kind of a quick demo here. What is that I'm expecting from you guys to do in the coming days is all about, right? Yeah, I just want to see the Shulini University's and footprint, right? I'm just trying to just visualize, can I do that? Right? Anyway, keep in mind that I'm not training you anything, but I'm just trying to show you that what is that we would be probably doing, right? I can see here a very quick that yes, Shulini's presence in terms of the UG students from different part of India. Well, I also would like to take one more minute in terms of connecting something with the data. And then let's see whether this bloody data talks to us in such a way, some meaningful insights. I really don't know whether it talks or not, but yes, I'm just trying to play around and then see what best probably we could see, right? Yeah, I don't know still about, I still don't know what is it I'm doing, but yes, I'm just trying to play with the data here. Let's see if I can play something meaningful. Yeah, as I said, we would be talking really less and then make our data to speak more. When I say more, I don't know the definition of more again, but we are in the world of a competition wherein we will have to make sure that the data speaks a lot, right? And when I say data speaks, the question is how relevant the data speaks, right? And now when I say I have the gender and I have the count, I don't want to show the counts, and then let me make it something called as a very quick allocation. Yes, maybe I'll be picking up here. You can see the percentage total, right? I think I can just take this. I really don't know what is that I'm going to do, but yes, I just want to quickly show you that probably what we can do, right? Because we are in the world of the data, and people, they don't have time for you. When they don't have time for you, how is that you get their time? Yeah, a very challenging task to get the time, right? And how is that you'll be creating a wow to your boss? And I remember always that my professor who always said that, yes, you will have to create a wow impact when you're working on, right? Now let me go back here and then say Beyond the Hills. I would like to just give a kind of a title here, Beyond the Hills, and then Shulini's footprint, say Pan India, right? I'll just give this title here for time being. And we know that we're just trying to see the visual of the UG data, right? Of a Shulini. I'm not training you anyway. Yes, please keep in mind that I'm not training you. But I just want to see now, let's say this is the map here. You can see, we don't have UG student in FMS from Karnataka. Yes, I should really thank Munisa for bringing in me. And then anyway, this is not blank. Yes, of course, I'm there as a learner and as a facilitator with you guys. Yes. And yes, now I can see here from this that Himachal Pradesh is having the highest count, right? Let me check by clicking at the Himachal Pradesh. Wow, my pie chart is getting changed, right? Yes, I can see the 30% are female and 69.64% male students who belong to Himachal Pradesh. Now you can just see here, every part of this country can be viewed by us. Now, if I just click on the Madhya Pradesh, okay, I can see that, yes, it's completely the male-dominated state here. Me click on the Rajasthan. Yes, I can see 31% female and of course 69%, close to 69, right? 68.75% male and of course 31% female. Yes, this is really interesting something, right? And this is what we will be working on. And then I've got so many projects. I've got the data. We will be using the data and then we will try to visualize the data. Remember one thing today as a skill, dash visual analytics. Now, this is one of the powerful skill wherein you make the data to speak in a way in which it should be shown, right? Not just by manipulating the data. Yes, we have so many projects which we'll be working on. And yes, this is all about the big data visualization. And I'll just keep it very short in terms of the machine learning. I don't want you guys to be missed out something called as a programming language, right? In the last semester, I remember that I was talking about the R, statistical programming language. However, this time I'm coming with Python Anaconda Google Colab, wherein we will be treating the data. We will be eating the data with the help of that tool and we make the analysis, right? So we will be looking at the changes in terms of the landscape with respect to the data, machine learning, and a big data. That's all from my side. And thank you very much for watching this video.